Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of beauty products that are taking over the market. Today, we're looking at something that promises to elevate your lips to new heights. Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss in 08 Boundless Berry. If you're all about getting that glossy, plumped up pout, this one's for you. But does it really deliver on those big claims? Let's find out. This lip gloss comes in a deep cranberry shade that leans toward a berry hue, offering a super glossy finish. It's not just about looks, though. This formula is designed to offer more than just color. The benefits? Plumping, smoothing, and softening. Essentially the dream combo for luscious lips. At 0.3 ounces, this liquid gloss comes in a sleek, travel-friendly tube, making it easy to throw into your bag for quick touch-ups. The first thing you'll notice when you apply it is that smooth, almost luxurious texture. It glides on effortlessly thanks to its liquid form, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. That's a huge plus for me, because no one wants that uncomfortable feeling of hair sticking to your lips on a windy day. The gloss provides instant shine, giving you a plump look, which is definitely noticeable. As someone who doesn't always love overly sticky glosses, I was relieved that it had a comfortable finish that still lasted for a decent amount of time. When it comes to plumping, I found that the gloss definitely enhanced my lips' appearance. Nothing dramatic, but definitely a noticeable boost in volume. It doesn't sting or tingle like some plumping glosses, so if you're sensitive to that sensation, this might be a more gentle option for you. It also does a great job of smoothing out any fine lines, making lips look fuller and more hydrated. I wore it throughout the day in a few different conditions: talking, drinking, and even a few bites of food, and it held up reasonably well. However, like most glosses, it does require a touch-up after eating, which is to be expected. It also doesn't feel like it's drying out my lips over time, which I really appreciated. Now let's talk about value. The Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss comes with a higher-end price tag, but the quality is definitely there. You're paying for a premium formulation that offers not just shine, but real benefits like plumping and hydration. The cranberry shade is versatile enough to pair with a variety of looks, so it's a good investment if you're after a gloss that works for both everyday wear and more elevated looks. If you're looking for something that delivers a similar look, but at a lower price point, you might want to check out some of the glosses from brands like ELF or NYX, which offer great glosses with decent plumping effects and hydration at a fraction of the cost. However, if you're someone who loves the luxury feel of high-end beauty products and appreciates the extra benefits like smoothness and long-lasting hydration, this gloss might just be worth the splurge. In terms of build quality, the tube feels sturdy and doesn't feel like it'll break easily, so you can definitely count on it to withstand daily use without issues. Overall, the Makeup Forever Super Boost Lip Gloss in 08 Boundless Berry is a great option for anyone who wants a plumping gloss that offers more than just shine. It's smooth, it's softening, and it gives you that added fullness without an overpowering tingle. If you're a fan of glossy lips and want something that looks and feels luxurious, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this gloss before, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.